So we made it. We made it here. We're going. Where are we going?
We're going to Vegas
For her birthday. Happy birthday. It's her birthday right now. She's 21. Whoop, 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 whoop. We're flying Frontier. Again. For the second time. It wasn't too bad the first time. I don't.
When we ever go Frontier?
When we went to Miami last year.
Frontier? I told everybody that was weird.
Oh, well, no. This is better than Spirit. Okay, bye. Ooh.
Catching flights and not feelings.
I was like, dang, just don't put me in it. Like, it's not my trip. I was,
Catching flights and not feelings.
That was honestly the worst flight of my life. Like, I'm told you, the worst flight of my life. I want to go.
You kind of look like me.
No, I don't look like you.
A little bit. No, she don't. Tell me we don't look alike right now.
Not Patron. Good morning.
This is for Katie.
Oh, crap. Good morning, everybody. It's day one. And, well, technically, it's day two. We got here last night at 6:30, but we passed out. Yeah. Because really, in Michigan time, it was like 9 o'clock, and we were tired. We didn't go to get a drink, though. The day one outfit. What are you wearing? Who are you wearing? Fashion Nova. Don't know. Don't know. Don't know. Period. My turn. Here. This is Coach Bag, Steve Madden, Fashion Nova, and Charlie. Ooh, money! Rich bitches do this. Money! Alright, let's go see. Who are you wearing? Tell us who you're wearing. You. Who are you wearing?
Fashion Nova.
She don't know.
Yeah.
Who are you wearing?
Who or what?
What? Who?
Coles.
Yes! So right now, we're doing bottomless mimosas, right? I'm about to be in trouble. I'm about to be in trouble, honestly. And his breakfast is hitting like something serious. Like I've never had. Like, oh, that was really gross, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. Oh, this is a lot right now.
Wow, you just got me.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
I do.
Oh my gosh, I have a vlog. I'm gonna send it to you.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna send it to you.
Okay.
This is such a cute.
I don't feel good. How you feel? That's how she feel.
Hold on. Bottomless mimosas are the truth.
Look at this. This is my
She even gave us to-go cups for our bottomless mimosas.
Oh. You're not supposed to drink. Shh. No, yeah. I just feel amazing, you guys. Bottomless mimosas still 2 hours later. Still going strong. Still on the strip, you guys.
Yes, we are.
Still day two. Day one?
Which one?
I
don't know.
1.5.
1.5, you guys.
I'll get a good sip of your wah.
Still a hot mess. So, we're back. I'm back. And we're in Margaritaville. Well, I'm finished, but we're in Margaritaville. We gotta go to 2 clubs tonight. And we got off. We got off on these people, right?
Period, bro.
Tyler, I'm talking right now. Hush.
Are you on your vlog? Oh.
Yeah. What's this, Tyler?
You're gonna have to cut that out.
Okay.
Damn, about to order.
No, I'm almost hungry. Hey, what is the menu here?
Aw, look at her feet. She's not happy right now. Look at her back there.
You're about to get a million subscribers.
Not a real ding dog.
Not a ding dong after I tried to fix the last ding dong. All right.
So we're at another party right now, right? This is our second one of the night. All right. Day 3 with Tyler's really upset right now. We don't really know why.
Cause I'm ugly.
All right, look, is she ugly, you guys? She's not. She's really pretty. She's being very dramatic, and I don't like this. She's being a loser. But anyway, we're having a great time. It's like 80 degrees. It's super hot, and this pool is really nice. I wish I could show you guys, but I don't really feel like it. Actually, you guys can see a little bit. How nice is this? It's like VIP, but it's not. It's just 21 up. Last day, and we're leaving tomorrow. Look how pretty like this place is. See, hi Taylor.
I told you I'm not going on any type of camera.
I'm not going on any type of camera. Where are we walking?
I don't know, bro. There's some risky shit. I'm scared.
Listen, my daddy would be stroking.
Okay, our parents would be so disappointed right now. They told us not to be doing no dumb shit like this.
And look what we're doing.
Dumb shit.
The dumbest shit to me.
Right
Our
when the
hotel
sun
is
is
right
going.
there though.
Yeah, but look where we gotta walk through.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. Oh shit, that's scary. Damn near.
Oh my god, look at this.
Excuse me, baggage.
My allergies are acting up so bad here. I just want to go home and get a Claire. This is very sketchy. This is okay. Bye. Hey you guys, so we came all the way to
Good dummy. Good dummy.
we came all the way to this one hotel.
Can't believe this. Oh, I look so tired.
We came all the way to this one hotel to get our wristbands to a party we're not even going to, and got a free drink pass. And now we're going somewhere else. It's on the opposite side.
Well, like maybe just in case that's a
Just
dummy
in case
too.
it's a dummy, we go back. But I mean, I'm tired. My allergies are acting up.
Everybody there looked like they were like 47.
Yeah, allergies are acting up. Tyler's knee is messed up. I don't know how she broke it.
I did something to my knee.
Oh, that's lift. I can't
Think,
Wait, no, it's
think it's sprained or something.
I just want to go home. I just hit her. So, okay. I never had a chance to like wrap up what exactly happened. So that night we went out and we had like, that was probably the best night ever. The best club we went to. I didn't get any footage because I was having so much fun that I like kind of forgot my phone existed. I mean, I probably do have footage somewhere, but it's you know, not really worth it. But anyway, so then our flight was supposed to like, we were supposed to be at the airport at 8 o'clock because our flight was supposed to be out at 8 o'clock. So I guess we're supposed to be at the airport at like 6 o'clock or whatever. And we didn't get back home until like 4. And like, we probably shouldn't have went to sleep or anything. But we missed our flight. Yeah, we missed it. So we actually didn't even miss our flight. So we ended up like getting to the airport on time. But the guy was like, yeah, the gates closed like 20 minutes ago. We can't let you guys in. We're like, 20 minutes? And he's like, yeah, the flight's about to leave in 5 minutes. And we're like, whatever. So then he's like, okay, yeah, well, the next flight, like, on this, on the plane we took, he's like, the next flight doesn't leave until tomorrow night. And we were like, oh crap, we like really can't take that because like we have no money and we don't want to stay in Vegas another night because Tyler ended up spraining her knee, I think, and hot mess. Honestly, this trip was so much fun though. But anyway, so we had to find another flight. We found one that was like leaving in like the next like 30 minutes and or like maybe an hour, I'm not too sure. Anyway, we found it and it was like a gazillion bucks and we were on the opposite side of where we needed to be, so we had to get an Uber because like the shuttle bus was like every like 20 to 30 minutes, and we didn't want to like risk it. So we ended up getting one last Uber to that side, getting on the plane. It was probably the bumpiest ride ever. Shout out to Frontier, because you're a lot better than Spirit Airlines. But now we're back. Well, yeah, we're back in East Lansing. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, yeah, I guess you can give it a thumbs down. But you know, whatever. Thanks for watching.